Before diving into advanced fixes, try these basic troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your driver profile is correctly linked to your Key or Tesla account. Next, perform a soft reset by holding both steering wheel buttons until the screen goes black. Check for any pending software updates in the car's settings and install them. If the issue persists, try recalibrating the seats via the vehicle's menu. These simple steps often resolve temporary glitches and restore functionality. Tesla frequently releases software updates that address seat memory issues. Ensure your Model 3 is running the latest version. If the problem started after a recent update, try resyncing your driver profile. Delete the profile from the car and the app, then re-add it. Another common fix involves a power cycle. Hold the brake and gear stalk for 2 seconds to reboot the system. Many users report success after these software-related solutions. If software fixes don't resolve the issue, the problem might be hardware-related, such as a faulty seat motor. When adjusting the seat, listen carefully for any unusual noises that could indicate motor problems. A failing motor often shows visible signs. The seat might move in a jerky or uneven manner, or it might not respond to adjustments at all. For Model 3 vehicles still under warranty, contact Tesla service directly for a motor replacement at no cost to the owner. Even if your vehicle is out of warranty, replacing the faulty motor can effectively solve ongoing seat memory issues. Tesla has issued targeted recalls for specific vehicles with faulty lumbar motors. It's important to check if your Model 3 is included in these recall campaigns. To prevent seat memory issues in your Tesla Model 3, follow these key preventative measures. Regularly update your Tesla's software to ensure the latest fixes and improvements are applied. Periodically check and resync your driver profile to maintain accurate settings. Avoid abrupt power interruptions by ensuring the car's battery is adequately charged. Be mindful of extreme temperatures, as they can affect the performance of seat motors and sensors. By taking these preventative measures, you can minimize the likelihood of encountering seat memory problems. Future of EV seat settings involves AI-driven personalization and predictive maintenance. Tesla is integrating more cloud-based syncing for seamless profile recovery across vehicles. Expect fully autonomous profile switching in future full self-driving FSD updates. By 2030, predictive maintenance algorithms may preemptively fix most EV seat issues. This trend aligns with broader EV advancements, where software-defined vehicles minimize hardware dependencies, promising a more reliable and personalized driving experience.